So today I want to answer a question that I get asked all the time, and it has to do with being insured and bonded for your personal concierge business. Hey everyone, this is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local service-based businesses get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in their local communities doing the thing that they love the most, which is taking care of others. So when I first started my business, there were so many things that I did not know the answers to. One of them was about being insured and bonded. And this week, I had gotten a notice in the mail from my bond company, and I wanted to actually address this question for all of you so that you understand what a bond really is. So when I first started my business, I had gone with a local insurance company and I asked them to insure my business and to make sure that I was protected. I was starting a business and I need to have insurance. And I knew nothing of the insurance process. I didn't know what kind of insurance I needed. I didn't know about amounts. I had no understanding of what it would cost me every year to have the insurance. And so I put all of those decisions on the local insurance agent, figuring, of course, that he definitely knows better than me. And so what happened was they had issued me an insurance policy, and they also issued me a bond, a surety bond. And what I found out just a few weeks later is that I did not need this surety bond. And here is why. And I want to explain to you why you may not need one. A bond is really protection that only covers you when you have employees. You do not need to have a bond when you do not have employees. And that was part of my shock because he knew that I was just starting my business. I was brand new. I didn't even have clients yet. And yet he had recommended and was charging me to have this bond in addition to the insurance policy that I had agreed to for the year. So the question is, do you need a bond? Only if you have employees. Now, there is a lot of research out there, there's a lot of information out there, and you can absolutely find that information if you just use that magical thing called Google. But I wanted to give that to you straight out and let you understand that the bond is only needed for people who have employees. But I will also tell you that the new insurance broker that I had hired, when I asked him, what is it about this bond thing? And he explained to me that over time, what has happened is that it has become almost like a marketing tool, right? Because so many businesses say we are insured and bonded, right? So what happens is other people see that on other people's websites, or they hear it in, even on TV and commercials and on websites everywhere, insured and bonded. So people, not knowing what it actually means, go out and they do the same thing. So over the years, what has actually been something that protected people in their business for employees, and it has to do with theft, that what happened is people started using it as a marketing tool. So you will see dozens and dozens of other companies out there who are insured and bonded, even if they do not have employees. So if you have other questions about the type of insurance or the other things you need to have in place as you are starting your own local business, whether it's a personal concierge business, a personal caregiver business, or even an organizing business, I have some additional resources below in the text that you can read, where you can find out more about the types of insurance that you need and the questions to be asking when you are asking an insurance broker about what you need for your local business, so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did, paying hundreds of dollars extra a year for something that I did not need at that point in time in my business. Okay, my friends, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button below. I would really appreciate it. And make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. And then, of course, if you want to find out more information about insurance and bonding and getting started in your personal business, your personal services business, read below in the text where I have additional resources there for you. Until next time, my friends, bye now.